Get ready for 2021. It's going to be a fun year for men's haircuts. The styles are going to have more of the forward movement, a lot more texture, and bangs than they go sideways. Make sure you stay to the end of this video because it's full of tips all throughout, from the beginning to the end, from cutting to styling to finishing. Hi, my name is Angel Del Solar, and on this channel I like to share with you, my friends from the beauty industry, inspirational, insightful and practical tools to help you achieve your dreams within the beauty industry. This is a full tutorial video. You're going to see me using multiple techniques to cut the pattern of the hair on wet. You will see me using a lot of dry cutting techniques to tailor the style. And finally, how to use 1821 to finish the look. Let's check this cutting tutorial right now. To prepare John for his haircut, I'll be applying a PST towel to accomplish the draping. If you'd like to learn more about how to apply this technique, check out my suggested video on my channel. To maintain a fuller look on the sides, I would use a matched French technique, cutting at 90 degrees over my fingers, about 2 fingers width. You can cut this area as short as you desire, including using your clippers. To cut the nape area, I will continue to use the same over the fingers technique. You can definitely use a different angle if you desire a shorter nape. Use a razor guard to customize the perimeter using the freeform cutting technique. Just remove any unwanted hair on the hairline to avoid any directional push. Continue with this technique to the front to customize the sideburns. To add some liners to the hair, use a directional texturizing technique by using a texturizing blade with white teeth to imitate the razor finish. Use the same blade and scissor over comb technique on the areas that they are needed. To prepare the hair on the top to be cut and tailored with a dry cutting technique, I will use 1821 wax. This is a new generation of oil-based waxes that will help you style and finish any look for men. It's going to work great for any active man or any man that lives in an area where the weather is very humid. Using the new learner techniques, use the blade with the guard and freeform technique to customize the desired length on the top of the hair. By using the texturizing blade, you can achieve a lighter ends and more blended look. To add some layers on the crown area, combine condensed cutting technique with freeform by twisting the hair and cutting the desired length. This is going to create some very diffuse layering. You know what to do now. Keep using these techniques to sculpt the desired look. Become an sculptor and unleash your creativity. For the top area, add some point cutting techniques so you can achieve lighter looks and more texture. Using combination with these point cutting techniques, some interior texturizing. This will allow to remove some of the bulk of the hair. To achieve these popular side bangs, just over direct the hair to the shortest point you want to create on the bang area. At this point, condense the hair and compress it with your fingers. And using the razor blade, use a carving technique to remove the desired length. This over direction will create the desired short to long side texture bangs that is so popular. You know what to do now. Just continue using some of these techniques until you carve the desired look. And have some fun! John's hair turned out really amazing. He loved it and I had a great time doing it. Hope you got some valuable tips in this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Listen, if you're interested in some continuing education, I'm going to be leaving a link at the end of this video so you can check a hands-on version on a mannequin head. I'm going to leave for you on the bottom of the description some links for all the tools that I use on this video. This is Angel del Solar having some fun creating for you.